Hello, in this video I want to show you hotel reservation management system that I've made in Java, okay, using my SQL database. So right now I'm going to start my Apache and start my SQL, and I'm going to navigate to PHP my admin, and the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to get into my Netbeans and show you the something that I've done. So here is the program, and here is everything about it. Since I have an error here, okay, so here is my database. All I need is to create a database, and right now I'm going to I'm going to drop every one of these tables. I'm going to drop every one of them. Now all I need to do is get back here and start the program. So right now I have the registration page, and just has to take the username and the password and then log the user in or register the user. Then next is I have the main window. Okay, so here is what I have about the main window. We can book rooms, we can register and rooms, and we can register guests. So the next other thing I have here is my classes. Okay, here is my database class, and here is my guest class. Here is my users, here is my room and room usage, and here is my room. Okay, so I'm going to start this program immediately and show you what I have done. Remember that right here in our database I have deleted every table, every column of this table, every table of this database. Now once I run the program, once I successfully run the program, let's refresh this place and see what happens. You can see that our database gets created back. You can see every one of them. Okay, so now what we simply need to do is we cannot log in, we need to register new user. So admin password 1234, register. Now the account is created. We can now log in as admin password 1234, login. Now we get the main page. So here all we need to do first is we need to register some rooms. So let's say room 10101, and let's say it's in the first floor, and the type is first class, register user. Now notice that the user get the room loads up here. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for other rooms, and room 3, do the same thing. And now room 4, let me say it's in the second floor, and the type is middle class, register. Now trying to register the same room will not work. Okay, so room 5, and so on and so forth. Now notice that all the rest of our rooms will appear here, And if I switch this to middle class, I will get the rooms in the middle class. Okay, so now let's register our guest. I'm going to say Chris, and address is okay, and phone is +234 81602740007. Okay, register. Now you get the customer loaded up here. Now if I decide to create another customer, now you can see our two customers here. Let me try the third customer. So right now I'm good to go. I can start booking rooms. Okay, now firstly let me show you how our search here works. Okay, this search searches the guest class. So we can search for Chris and search. You see that? You can search for Akude and you get that. So you can search for A and nothing contains A here. That is it. Now all I need is to register to book a room. All I need is select the customer, say Chris, and put the usage hours. Let's say the customer is going to stay here for 12 hours and today's date is 12/7, so this should be 7. Okay, so let's assume that the person is coming in 2 a.m. This is 5:45 a.m. This is 5:45 a.m. Okay, 5:45 a.m. 45, and the person is booking. Let me go to first class and pick the first floor. Book now. You can see that. Now when you try booking again, you get a message, room is not available. Okay, now you can see the check-in time, you can see the expected checkout time, and you can see the created one. Let me try booking a room again for another person. And okay, this expected checkout is 12/7 17:45. So if I try booking a room 17:45 17:45, yeah, you can see it gets booked successfully. So once this person is logging out, is checking out, another person can check in. And unfortunately I can't really book this at 16. Not so sure. You can see that room is not available. So but I can do that for another room, or yeah, I can do that for another room. Say in 105, I can book now. Yeah, so that is basically how this was structured. And i can use a search pattern here. I can search by the name of the guest, say Chris, sorry, Chris, and search. You can see everything about Chris gets returned. I can as well search with date. I can search with date. Control C, Control V here, search. You can see everything that has to do with this date gets returned. I can as well search with room 101. You can see that. So that's basically all I have for this program, and for now that's all I have. And this was created in Netbeans, though it can be easily imported to Eclipse. So that's all. And in case if you want, now let's take a look at these tables. can see that our data actually got created. So now, in case if you want the source code, all I need you to do is contact me via an email. Contact me via an email. You can contact me through any of this email, akwuderaja at gmail.com. I'm not going to accept any payment on Fiverr for this, okay? Or also you can use ngcodes1 at gmail.com. Now, if you want to send me payment through PayPal, kindly use this. And once you send me payment, you can just contact me and I will send you a download link for the source code. Okay? Thank you. I do hope we'll do this business very well and maybe get to do some other business in future. Thanks.